A very good morning to all my dear students. I would like to take class before starting my AV assignment. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all the times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. Now, I am going to start our assignment. The topic is what comes before. What comes before? Okay. Let us see here. 13 is given. You have given 13. What comes before 13? That is 12. Okay. Beta 13 is given and you have to see what will come before 13. That is 12. Okay. Next. You have given 18. 18 is given. You have to see what will come before 18? That is 17. So you will write here 17. Okay. Here you have given 29. 29 is given. Then what will come before 29? That is 28. So you will write here 28. Okay. Next. 33 is given. 33 is given. What will come before 33? That is 32. So you will write here 32. Here you have given 51. 51 is given. What will come before 51? That is 50. So we will write here 50. Okay. You have to write here 50. Clear? Next. 69 is given. 69. What will come here before 69? That is 68. You will write here 68. Clear? The next 62 is given. 62. What will come before 62? That is 61. You will write here 61. Clear? Here 43. 43 is given. What will come before 43? That is 42. So you will write here 42. Clear? Here 66. What will come before 66? That is 65. So you will write here 65. 54 is given. 54. What will come here before 54? That is 53. क्लियर बच्चे? You will write here 53. Okay, you have to write here 53. Clear? 19. Here 19 is given. What will come before 19? That is 18. Clear? That is 18. You will write here 18. Clear to everyone? Next, from your book Mathmania, page number 25. Fill the missing numbers counting forward. You have to fill the blanks, okay? Missing numbers you have to fill the, okay? Clear? Like here they have given 58. Then you will write here 59, 60. Okay? Now they have given 61. So we will write here 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Okay? We have completed this line. Next they have given 31. Then you have to complete these boxes. What will come here? Here 31 is given. Then you will write here 32, 33, 34. Okay? Then 35 is given. You have to complete 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay? This is forward counting. Okay beta? You have to fill the blanks. Next, in this, fill the missing numbers counting backward. Here you have to fill the backward numbers. Okay? Like 16 is given. You will write here 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay? This is backward. Here 30 is given. Then you will write here 29, 28, 27, 26, 25 is given. Then you will complete 24, 23, 22 and 21. Clear? Like this you have to complete this page beta. Okay? Clear to everyone? Okay beta, bye.